Larry, one thing I wanted to show you here. We got the amplifier here, or on 80 meters. The 700 and the bird read identically up until 4. So if you sit here and talk, it's about 3,500 peaks on both meters. They read pretty much identically. 3,300 on the bird, 3,300 on the 700. 3,500, 3,500. But if you turn up the drive, and then the bird's pins just held over there, this thing's stuck at 3,900, and it won't go over that. So I can turn up the drive even more. 1, 2, 2. It's just pinning the bird, and you're still right here at 39. So plate current's going up, bird meter goes up, but the LP700 flat tops at 4,000. It won't read higher. They read the same up until 4,000. So that may be a clue as to what's wrong or what's going on with it.